What's up you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna vlog about our cleaning session, our weekly cleaning session. Actually, we don't clean every week, probably like once in 2 weeks. I've previously vlogged about my cleaning session in my previous apartment, but I haven't actually vlogged this new apartment which we moved in like 6 months ago. So today I'm gonna do that. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to watch more videos, and follow me on Instagram, and let's continue with the video.
Nandi, clean, please.
Okay.
Drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. You used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love?
Whoa! Oh, dude, you smell it. Please smell it. keep low.
I'm sad.
I hate cleaning. Okay. I hate cleaning. Okay.
Yeah, he hates cleaning, but I always make him clean because cleaning is important. Tomorrow we have our final exams. Next week is finals week. Today is Sunday. From Monday tomorrow we have final exam, but still we were cleaning today and spent all this time in shooting this vlog while cleaning. It's not wasting time because this is a memory for all of us, and it's sharing our experience online. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and he's actually also a YouTuber, so I'm gonna link his YouTube channel down in the description below. So please subscribe to his channel too. Watch down a lot of our videos. Follow both of us on Instagram right here. And
I hate cleaning.
I hope he changes his mind. Thank you so much for watching.